Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming whether your device runs Android or iPad OS because steps differ. Once done, back up anything critical, then open Settings. Next, locate Browser Settings or Apps and Permissions. This is where pop-ups originate. You'll disable pop-ups and clear recent browser data, so make sure you have saved passwords or bookmarks synced. If you use a third-party browser, open that app settings now. This first step puts you in the right place to act quickly and safely. Now in the browser site settings, turn off Allow pop-ups and redirect. Enable safe browsing or fraud protection if available. Then clear cache, cookies, and site data for sites that triggered ads. This removes tracking cookies that re-enable pop-ups. If a specific app pushes ads, go to App Permissions and revoke notification, overlay, or draw over permissions. Once done, force stop or restart the app. These steps remove active ad triggers and reduce the chance they return immediately. To finish, install a trusted ad-blocking browser or an ad block extension and keep your OS updated. That prevents future pop-ups. Uninstall unfamiliar or recently installed apps and run a malware scan with a reputable security app. If pop-ups persist, restart the tablet, boot into safe mode to identify the offending app, or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up. If you hit problems, safe mode isolates apps. A factory reset removes persistent malware, but requires restoring your backup carefully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.